Hey folks, JD here, and today I want to test out the Wi-Fi on this particular smartphone, on my Honor 10 Lite. Now it's only running 2.4 band, so it's not going to be fantastic, but what I am sure it is going to be very capable of, it's very nice movements on the sticks here, on the analog sticks. So I thought, what quad can I use to test this? In the end I came up with the Tello. Especially with this Tello FPV app, it looks fantastic and it's just a brilliant app. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just take off. Start motors and take off. Yes, indeed. Oh, the screen is nice to use. It's very nice, very fluid. Let's take her around a little bit and let's see how she goes. A little bit of jumping, but I'm not flying very nice and smooth. I am flying a little bit more erratically than usual. So let's just get better control of those sticks for the time being. Yeah, that's better. That's better. Okay. I'm also recording my screen as well. Let's get a bit of Tello video on the go. But so far what I'm seeing with this phone, I'm loving. Absolutely, it has become my my standard phone to use. I've done away with using my iPhone for the time being, and I have just swapped everything over. I mean, it's not unusual for me to use multiple devices. I use multiple Android devices, so that's not really, it's nothing new for me, but I just really was intrigued to see how this particular smartphone was going to work, and so far I am very impressed indeed. And the feel of the screen as well is really nice. When I come to turn, a little bit of yaw, a little bit of roll to turn the quad around, no problem whatsoever. And my signal ratio is very good, 90 decibels right the way through, 70 decibels, losing a little bit of signal, but that's not the end of the world there. Let's go back around, so now heading back over towards the trees there just in front of me. 90 decibels again. One thing I do have to do is get a new battery for this Tello, because it is starting, it's a couple of years old now, and its battery is not holding charge as well as it used to. 70 decibels. So again, losing a little bit of signal, strength going down there. A bit further away, turn it round. That's how far away I am, so if I just hold it there for a second, I'm quite a way away. So I'm 11.8 meters away from the smartphone, and then coming back around again. Obviously increasing 90 decibels, which is max, and then everything in between there pretty much, and then turning around again. 24.8 meters away, so really not the end of the world there. 70 decibels, so I've got a hell of a lot more range out of this should I want it, but obviously I'm not in an area to give us range, but then no problem whatsoever. Yeah, this is really nice, really fluid, not noticing any issues whatsoever in controlling it. The controls are responsive, extremely responsive. The video as well looks nice to me, it looks nice and fluid, doesn't look to be any jumping. And once again, if I turn that, there we are, it's down to 40 decibels there, but at the same time, don't forget the area I'm in is not conducive to flying anything large unless I'm high above the tree line. So when I'm down like this, quite literally, this is going to probably be the best that I get, which I'm very happy with. 24.8 meters being the maximum so far that I have flown with it. Let's just turn her around, plenty of space to turn her around, no problem, and bring her back. Beautiful, really nice, really nice. And then likewise, if I was to, I'm gonna take my life into my own hands here, and I'm going to put the trust in the smartphone and in the Tello, and I'm going to take her out a little way and see if I can get a little bit of water footage. Not too much, you want to make sure that you are high enough above the water for it not to affect the flight of the quad, because otherwise you will have a bad time. So what I'm doing here is just keep an eye on the battery percentage down to 61, keeping an eye on the Wi-Fi percentage as well down to 70 decibels. Flipping her back around, getting another perspective on the River Avon, and then coming back down it there. Really nice. Really nice. And then back into our field there. So yeah, I have no bad things to say about this particular smartphone controlling the Tello. It controls it extremely well without there being any issues whatsoever. Look at that, beautiful. Really, really, really nice. Right, there we are. Only a short one today, folks. Just wanted to test out exactly how well this works. And yeah, I'm very, very happy with it. Very, very happy with it indeed. I thought I would be, because it's so far I've had this phone for a week and it is just showing itself to be quite a capable monster. And what I mean to say, what I actually mean is not quite capable, extremely capable. I mean, it's running rings on my iPhone 8 and it has got much better spec than my iPhone 8. It is an octa-core with 3 gig of RAM, but at the same time we all know that some Android devices overutilize hardware. This one utilizes it very, very, very well. Oh, this is beautiful. Really nice. It's a breeze to fly with it. There's absolutely no lag whatsoever. I just give it a nice little turn there. And then if I just line her up a little bit with this path, there we go. And then if we just take a nice little stroll down this path, so very, very gentle on the throttle, just to give the illusion of a person walking, maybe with a gimbal device. What am I looking at? 90 decibels, Wi-Fi. Just then cut it over direct into the field. What am I at? 18 meters, 20 meters, 24 meters, still 90 decibels, 70 decibels. Okay, what am I at now? 31 meters. So if I hold her there, you can see exactly where I am. I'm over here, hello. I'm quite a way away, so I'm going to walk away from it a little way. Not too far, because obviously it is a small quad, and if it does decide to take a dive in those bushes, it's going to be a nightmare to find. But yeah, I am very, very, very impressed with this little thing. There it goes. Hello, Mr. Tello. Nice to see you. And then straight out. Beautiful. Beautiful. Well, there we are, friends. I am very, very taken with this. Very, very taken with this flight. This smartphone does extremely well when controlling the Tello. There we are. That's answered a couple of my questions I've had during the week, which are, I wonder how this controls a quad. There we are. Perfect. All right, my friends, we're going to leave that there. Thanks ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD, you've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and ring that bell too. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy flying.